Welcome back to AutoMatrix, where innovation meets prestige and the future of mobility comes alive. Today, we unveil something that doesn't just redefine luxury travel, it completely transforms it. This is the 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome, and it may be the most luxurious RV America has ever seen. From the moment you lay eyes on the OBSIDIAN, you realize this isn't just another recreational vehicle. This is Cadillac's bold statement to the world. A rolling penthouse engineered for those who demand absolute excellence on every mile of the journey. The exterior design is unmistakably Cadillac. Sharp vertical LED light signatures stretch, like glowing blades across the front fascia, giving the OBSIDIAN a futuristic yet authoritative presence. The illuminated grille glows subtly at night, while the sculpted body panels flow seamlessly from nose to tail. The silhouette feels more like a high-end luxury yacht than a traditional motorhome. Finished in a deep metallic obsidian black, the body reflects light, like polished glass. Chrome accents trace the windows and body lines with precision. Massive premium wheels sit beneath adaptive air suspension, giving the motorhome a confident, planted stance while allowing it to lower automatically when parked. But beauty is only the beginning. Underneath the elegant shell lies a next-generation fully electric platform. Cadillac has engineered the OBSIDIAN with dual high-output electric motors, delivering instant torque and whisper-quiet acceleration. Despite its grand size, the motorhome moves with surprising smoothness and refinement. With an estimated driving range of over 500 miles on a single charge, the OBSIDIAN is built for cross-country adventures without compromise. Fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime, while regenerative braking captures energy on descents and city driving. Step inside, and the transformation is breathtaking. The entry door opens automatically with a digital key. Soft ambient lighting greets you as retractable steps glide into place. Once inside, the outside world fades away. The main living area feels like stepping into a Manhattan luxury apartment. Italian leather sofas curve around a minimalist entertainment center. A massive OLED display rises silently from a hidden console. Real wood paneling, brushed aluminum accents, and soft-touch surfaces create an atmosphere of understated elegance. The ceiling features customizable ambient lighting modes: sunrise, sunset, lounge, and night drive. Smart glass panoramic windows adjust opacity at the touch of a button, allowing privacy without blocking natural light. Heated floors ensure comfort during winter travel. Climate zones allow each section of the motorhome to maintain personalized temperature settings. Acoustic insulation technology creates near-total silence, even when parked in bustling environments. Moving toward the kitchen, the OBSIDIAN continues to impress. The galley is crafted with marble countertops and integrated induction cooking surfaces. A full-size smart refrigerator blends seamlessly into the cabinetry. There's a convection oven, wine storage compartment, built-in espresso system, and ample hidden storage for extended trips. Soft LED under-cabinet lighting enhances visibility while adding warmth to the space. Every drawer glides open smoothly with soft, close precision. Cooking here feels less like camping and more like hosting a private chef experience. Toward the rear lies the master suite. The bedroom is designed as a sanctuary of rest and serenity. A king-size memory foam mattress sits beneath a starlight-inspired ceiling panel. Ambient lighting wraps around the perimeter, creating a soft halo effect at night. Floating nightstands feature wireless charging pads. A retractable screen faces the bed for private movie nights. Walk-in closet storage ensures you never have to sacrifice wardrobe space during long journeys. The Obsidian's bathroom rivals five-star hotels. Marble finishes extend across the walls and floors. A full glass-enclosed rainfall shower features digital temperature control. Heated towel racks and a smart mirror with integrated display bring spa-like comfort to every morning routine. Hidden behind elegant cabinetry is a compact washer and dryer system, proof that Cadillac designed this motorhome for true long-term living, not just weekend escapes. At the front of the Obsidian, the cockpit blends advanced technology with refined design. A curved panoramic digital display stretches across the dashboard. AI-assisted navigation analyzes traffic, terrain, and charging locations in real time. Level 3 autonomous driving capability allows hands-free cruising on compatible highways. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision systems, and 360-degree cameras provide peace of mind for drivers maneuvering a vehicle of this scale. When parked, the Obsidian transforms once again. Motorized slide-outs expand the living area, creating an even more spacious interior environment. Exterior panels extend outward to reveal a shaded outdoor lounge area, complete with built-in lighting and premium sound system. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide supplemental power, while the advanced battery management system ensures that all living amenities remain functional even without external hookups. This motorhome isn't just luxurious, it's intelligently self-sufficient. Safety remains paramount throughout the design. Reinforced structural framing enhances durability. Advanced collision avoidance systems monitor surroundings constantly. Rear axle steering technology improves maneuverability, making tight turns surprisingly manageable. And then there's exclusivity. The 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome is not designed for the masses. It is crafted for a select few who demand unmatched comfort and cutting-edge innovation. Industry experts estimate pricing to begin well above $1.5 million, with bespoke customization options pushing it even higher. But for those who choose Obsidian, the price reflects more than materials and technology. It represents status, freedom, and the ultimate expression of mobile luxury. This motorhome blurs the line between home and highway. It allows you to wake up overlooking the Pacific coastline, dine beneath the Arizona desert stars, and sleep peacefully in the Rocky Mountains, all without ever sacrificing the refinement of a luxury penthouse. The 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome isn't simply transportation. It's a revolution in how we experience travel. It brings Cadillac's legacy of elegance into a bold new frontier, where sustainability, performance, and opulence coexist seamlessly. Here at AutoMatrix, we've seen extraordinary machines, hypercars, electric super trucks, luxury off-road titans. But this is something different. This is not about speed alone, not about power alone, not even about luxury alone. It's about redefining what's possible when engineering ambition meets artistic vision. The open road has never looked this refined. The future of American RV luxury has never looked this bold. And if this is the direction Cadillac is heading, the world of motorhomes may never be the same again. This is the 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome, and it has officially changed the game.